Today we had an open house for our employees. Our employees came through and we went through their histories and any risk factors they have. And heart disease is very common in the entire world. So it's important to avoid the disease, to try to prevent it as much as possible.
Many patients have risk factors for heart disease, and we do try to aggressively treat those. So when my patients come in, I'm trying to risk stratify them. There are numerous tests that we may order in addition to standard EKG and checking blood pressure and cholesterol levels so that we get a better sense of where they stand from a heart standpoint. Based on the results of these tests, it helps us to decide how aggressive to treat people.
So these things are important to look at and go over with your general doctor, with your cardiologist, and try to see what you need to do to prevent developing heart disease in the future. I wish you many, many years of healthy, heart disease-free life, okay?